Hello everyone, my name is Chandra Prakash Bhavana and today I want to discuss an interview in a company called Infosys Bangalore and this interview is based on the Apache Solar and this was the real interview and the interview date was the November 26, 2024. So they asked me explain solar architecture and distributed search. So built on Apache Lucene, distributed and scalable search engine, Solar cores, logical indexes within a Solar instance, Solar cloud collection, shards, leader replica plus follower replicas, zookeepers, cluster coordination, leader election, config distribution, distributed query flow, coordinating node, fan out to shard leader, merge and sort, return results. Sharding divides large datasets. Replication ensure high availability. Second question they asked me, what is the difference between the Solar and Elasticsearch? So Apache Solar and Elasticsearch. So Apache Solar is schema based explicit schema. Elasticsearch schema less dynamic schema. Apache Solar XML config solar config.xml. Elasticsearch JSON based REST API config. Solar requires Zookeeper for Solar Cloud. Elasticsearch built-in cluster management. Solar strong faceting support. Elasticsearch advanced aggregation engine. Solar Lucene syntax Dismax eDismax. Elasticsearch JSON DSL query language. Apache Solar best for enterprise and document search. Elasticsearch best for real-time analytics and ELK stack. Third question is they asked core versus collection versus shard versus replica. So core single index plus config in standalone Solar instance. Collection logical index in Solar Cloud spans multiple shards and nodes. Shard a piece of a collection holds a subset of data. Replica a copy of a shard. One is leader, other follow. Example, two shards into two replicas. Shard 1 A leader B plus shard 2 C leader D. So one liner is core, core is standalone, collection is Solar Cloud, shard is partition and replica is copy. The fourth question they asked me Solar Cloud versus standalone mode. So Solar Cloud distributed via Zookeeper, auto sharding, replication, failover, leader election. Solar Cloud config stored centrally in Zookeeper, no per node config files. Solar Cloud horizontal scalability, add nodes as needed without downtime. Standalone, single node or manually managed multi-core setup. Standalone, no auto failover or sharding, good for simple local use cases. Key difference, Solar Cloud, HA plus distributed search, standalone, simple and local. Fifth question they ask me, optimal schema for high volume e-commerce. How can we use the Solar Apache Solar for the optimal schema for high volume e-commerce? So define fields, product ID, name. So this is one example, okay? Like the product ID, name, category, price, stock, description, etc. Use docs value true for fields used in sorting, faceting, on grouping. Use stored false for fields not needed in result. Reduces index size. Dynamic fields for custom tags or attribute. Example attr underscore asterisk. Use copy field to populate a general text field for broad search. Plan soft commits for fast visibility plus hard commits for durability. So a quick revision for these 5 questions. So solar architecture is Lucent based Solar Cloud collection shards replica via Zookeeper. Solar versus Elasticsearch Solar XML Faceting Enterprise ES equal to JSON aggregation real time. Third, core collection shard replica. Core is standalone, collection Solar Cloud, shard partition and replica copy. Fourth, Solar Cloud versus standalone. Solar Cloud equal to HA plus distributed, standalone, simple local, no auto failover. Fifth, e-commerce schema. Doc values, copy fields, dynamic fields, soft plus hard commit strategy. So these were the questions asked in Infosys Bangalore, and the interview date was November 26, 2024. So if this video is really helpful for you, then you can like, subscribe or share this YouTube channel. So for more company interview question, I'll I'll just record and will put on the YouTube. So till then, bye.